Welcome back to WIM's Wonders. Throughout our series, Shadows of Evidence, we've examined how forensic science has profoundly influenced legal outcomes. Previous episodes have exposed the troubling misuse of outdated forensic methods that modern advancements have since discredited. Today, we examine a contemporary scandal involving DNA analysis, a technology long heralded as infallible. We investigate the case of Yvonne Woods, whose actions have cast doubt over thousands of cases, demonstrating that even our most trusted forensic tools are susceptible to manipulation. This episode underscores the continuing need to scrutinize the very tools we depend on to deliver justice. Yvonne Missy Woods, a veteran forensic scientist, dedicated nearly 3 decades to the Colorado Bureau of Investigation, CBI, from 1994 until her abrupt resignation in November 2023. Woods specialized in DNA analysis, playing a crucial role in examining genetic material for numerous criminal investigations. Known for her expertise and reputed for precision, her career seemed impeccable, until anomalies in her work cast a sudden shadow over her contributions. On November 6, 2023, the day Woods resigned, the CBI was already in the midst of a comprehensive internal investigation into her DNA testing procedures. This probe, assisted by external agencies, aims to meticulously review nearly 30 years of Woods' forensic work. The investigation seeks to uncover the extent and impact of her alleged manipulations, promising transparency and rigorous scrutiny to restore public confidence in the integrity of forensic science. DNA analysis has emerged as one of the most influential tools in the criminal justice system, renowned for its precision in linking genetic material from crime scenes to individuals. This sophisticated technology involves extracting DNA from tiny samples, amplifying specific regions to create detailed genetic profiles, and comparing these profiles against those in national criminal databases like CODIS, publicly available DNA records, or samples collected from individuals related to the case. In forensic labs like the Colorado Bureau of Investigation, CBI, where Yvonne Woods worked, DNA analysis has been pivotal in solving complex cases and providing conclusive evidence that can definitively link suspects to criminal activities. Generally, the forensic unit begins with a visual examination of evidence for stains. Forensic analysts test for the presence of blood, semen, saliva, or cellular material, using tools like alternative light sources to find stains invisible under natural light. Additionally, they collect invisible evidence such as skin cells or touch DNA. Any biological evidence obtained, whether visible or invisible, is stored in a freezer until it's ready for DNA analysis. The DNA analysis process involves 4 key steps: DNA extraction to purify the sample, quantitation to determine the DNA amount, amplification to copy the DNA millions to billions of times using polymerase chain reaction, PCR, and detection on a genetic analyzer to assemble the DNA profile. This profile can then be compared to known profiles from databases or collected samples to match evidence to suspects or victims. Mutations, or changes in the DNA sequence, are also considered to ensure the accuracy of the analysis, providing a detailed and reliable DNA profile. Yvonne Missy Woods was esteemed for her adept handling of intricate DNA samples and her ability to deliver compelling testimony in courtrooms. Despite her apparent expertise, the reliability of her work came under scrutiny in October 2023, when the CBI placed her on administrative leave, a month before her abrupt resignation and the public revelation of a sweeping internal investigation. This action followed preliminary findings indicating that Woods may have significantly deviated from established DNA testing protocols. Although the specifics of her deviations were initially withheld, they were serious enough to warrant an immediate cessation of her casework and a thorough review of her decades-long career. As the investigation progresses, the CBI is tasked with re-evaluating Woods' contributions to past convictions and validating the precision of current forensic methodologies. This case emphasizes the paramount importance of strict oversight and rigorous quality control in forensic science. A discipline where the consequences of errors can profoundly impact justice and where maintaining the highest standards is imperative. The recent initial CBI report, dated February 26, 2024, and released to the public in June 2024, unveiled that Yvonne Missy Woods tampered with DNA testing by altering, deleting, or omitting test results, obscuring her deviations from standard protocols. Despite these manipulations, no evidence was found that she falsified DNA matches. This misconduct raises significant questions about the oversight and validation of forensic processes in such a complex scientific field. The CBI report highlighted previous concerns about Woods's work. In 2014, a co-worker questioned her testing methods, and in 2018, she was accused of data manipulation. Although she was temporarily removed from casework and reassigned, she was later reinstated without the issues being fully addressed or escalated to CBI leadership. These incidents reveal a failure in the system to adequately respond to red flags. The unraveling of Woods's misconduct gained momentum after anomalies in her test data were reported in September 2023, leading to a comprehensive internal investigation. Despite long-standing suspicions and earlier complaints, it was not until this investigation that her conduct was thoroughly examined. The investigation revealed a history of professional misconduct, including falsifying documentation and failing to provide thorough records in case files, and violating CBI's code of conduct. The findings have prompted the CBI to implement stringent policy changes and conduct an extensive review of its forensic processes to prevent similar breaches in the future. Ironically, Woods had proudly spoken in a January 2023 interview about her long career and her role in solving one of the oldest cold cases she had worked on for 28.5 years. She claimed, "I do believe that we provide the information that families have longed for years." This statement now stands in stark contrast to the revelations of her widespread manipulation of forensic evidence. Woods's long-respected professional career, spanning nearly 3 decades, was ultimately exposed as rife with manipulation by an intern's research project, highlighting the profound impact that fresh scrutiny can have on uncovering deep-seated issues within established systems. The investigation into Yvonne Woods's actions has triggered an extensive review of her past cases, casting doubt on the reliability of numerous convictions. Woods's manipulation of DNA evidence, including the deletion and alteration of critical data, has raised serious questions about the integrity of the forensic results used in these cases. The full impact on specific cases remains under intense scrutiny, with many convictions now being re-examined to assess the validity of the forensic evidence presented. This scandal, regarded by experts as one of the largest in the history of forensic DNA testing, has thrown Colorado's criminal justice system into turmoil. Approximately 3,000 DNA samples handled by Woods are being reviewed, reflecting the immense scale of the task at hand. Problems have already been identified in 809 cases from 2008 to 2023, according to the CBI's update as of August 27, 2024. State lawmakers have allocated nearly $7.5 million for the retesting and reassessment of these cases to address these forensic failures, restore trust in the criminal justice system, and ensure transparency and accountability in forensic science. In response, forensic laboratories nationwide are under pressure to adopt stricter oversight, mandatory peer reviews, regular audits, and enhanced training for forensic analysts to prevent future misconduct. The Woods case underscores the importance of stringent oversight and continuous improvement in forensic methodologies. As the review and retesting processes continue, both the public and legal communities remain vigilant, pushing for reforms that will bolster the credibility and reliability of forensic practices in the justice system. As we conclude our exploration of Yvonne Woods's case, the recent revelations about her manipulation of DNA test results and the delayed detection by the CBI highlight critical vulnerabilities in forensic oversight. We will continue to monitor this case, providing updates on significant developments and the outcomes of retested cases. Reflecting on the series, we consider forensic science's dual roles, its power to solve mysteries and its potential for misuse, reminding us of the delicate balance between scientific innovation and ethical practice in the pursuit of justice. What are your thoughts on the implications of forensic misconduct? How can forensic science be improved to prevent such breaches of trust in the future? Stay with us for updates on this case and more stories where forensic advancements play a crucial role in solving long-standing mysteries. Please subscribe and join us on Whim's Wonders as we navigate the complex world of forensic evidence in our series, Shadows of Evidence and Beyond.